Students, today we are going to complete our revision for the second term. It's our turn with Unit 11. Let's talk about the conditional if. Zero conditional, الحالة الصفرية لإف. The usage, when to use the zero conditional to talk about facts. بتستخدم للتعبير عن الحقائق. Look at this example, if or when. So we can use if or when. في الحالة زيرو ممكن نستخدم if أو when، و if معناها هنا إذا أو لو. If or when you add 2 and 2 you get 4. لو ضفت 2 زائد 2 you get 4 بنحصل على 4 and this is a fact. يبقى الزيرو كونديشنال بنستخدمها علشان نتكلم عن الحقائق. How to form sentences. If or when. The sentence which comes after if or when must be in the present simple tense. This is for the zero conditional. The second sentence as well in the present simple tense. يبقى if أو when بعدها جملة في الزمن المضارع البسيط والجملة التانية في زمن المضارع البسيط. Look at this example. If I don't know a word, I use my dictionary. لو ما بعرفش معنى كلمة في القاموس I use my dictionary. بستخدم القاموس بتاعي. طيب what about if لو جت if في الوسط في المنتصف the same الجملتين هيبقوا في زمن ال present simple اللي هو زمن المضارع البسيط. The game starts if or when you touch the screen, and this is a fact. The interrogative, do you feel ill if or when you eat too quickly. هنا لأن الجملة عندي في زمن ال present simple so we use do or does to ask yes no question. هنا استخدمت do لأن السبجكت عندي هنا you. Do you feel ill when you eat too quickly? How to form WH question. The question word do or does according to the subject and the infinitive form of the verb. And regarding the same sentence, it will be in the present simple tense as well. عشان أكون سؤال بأداة استفهام بستخدم أداة الاستفهام do or does, the subject and the infinitive form of the verb. What do you feel if or when you eat too quickly? The second example, what happens if you eat too quickly? هنا what جبت بعدها الفعل مباشرة لأن أنا بسأل ماذا حدث. بسأل على ماذا يحدث. That's why we used the verb happens. Must and mustn't. This is the second point in our grammar today. We use must to talk about the necessity and obligation. بنستخدمها عشان نعبر عن إلزام أو الضرورة. We must save our planet. هنا it's a must. هنا ضرورة أو إلزام. We use mustn't to talk about بنستخدم mustn't للمنع والتحريم للأشياء الغير مصرح بيها. We mustn't throw rubbish into the ocean. We use should and shouldn't for advice. To give someone a piece of advice we use should or shouldn't. We use should to advise him to do that thing. We use shouldn't to advise him not to do something. بنستخدم should بمعنى يجب أو shouldn't بمعنى لا يجب لإعطاء نصيحة. How to form a sentence, the subject, then should or shouldn't, according to the meaning, followed by the infinitive form, and this is the most important part. إن بعد should أو shouldn't بيجي الفعل في الانفينيتيف في المصدر زي must أو mustn't بيجي بعدهم الفعل في المصدر. Look at this example. You should study hard. هنا بنصحه إن هو يذاكر بجد. You shouldn't waste your time. أنت لا يجب أن تضيع وقتك. How to form a question using should. بستخدم should بعدها subject بعدها infinitive form. Should I take a 10-minute break? Should بعدها subject I take in the infinitive form. And this question can be answered using yes or no. Yes, you should. No, you shouldn't. How to form a WH question. We use the question word followed by should or shouldn't, the subject and the infinitive form. بستخدم أداة الاستفهام بعدها should أو shouldn't الفاعل والفعل في المصدر. عندنا هنا المثال what should I do to learn new vocabulary. What the question word بعدها should I the subject do the infinitive form. Now let's answer some questions. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C or D. If you boil water, it space into steam. This is a fact. هنا بتكلم على حقيقة. If هيجي بعدها جملة في present simple. The second sentence as well must be in the present simple tense. So it turns. You mustn't, must, have to, should make noise in hospitals. هنا it's forbidden. هنا ممنوع إننا نعمل noise in the hospitals. يبقى هنا لازم أستخدم صيغة تعبر عن المنع. يبقى عندي الإجابة الصحيحة you mustn't. We shouldn't, should, mustn't or don't have to help old people. نحن لا يجب يجب ممنوع don't have to something that means it's not necessary. ده معنى don't have to. يبقى هنا old have people help old people. يبقى الإجابة الصحيحة should. نحن يجب أن نساعد كبار السن. I have, has, hasn't had something to drink when I'm thirsty. When you are thirsty, you have something to drink. Read and correct the underlined words. The ground became wet if it rains, and this is a fact. هنا zero conditional. The ground becomes wet if it rains. What should you did if it's cold? عندي هنا should واحنا قلنا ان should بستخدم معها الانفينيتيف form. يبقى الإجابة الصحيحة what should you do if it is cold. You mustn't be quiet in the library. ممنوع تكون هادئ في المكتبة. هنا mustn't is incorrect. The correct answer you must. Dear students, thank you for watching this video.